Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal pancakes step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a little oil for the pan. These wholesome ingredients come together quickly for a satisfying breakfast. Now, let's prepare our batter. First, take your rolled oats and blend them in a food processor until they become a fine flour-like consistency. This step is key for a smooth pancake. Next, in a large bowl, combine your oat flour with the baking powder, salt, and sweetener. Finally, add the egg and milk, stirring gently until everything is just mixed. Avoid overmixing to keep the pancakes light and fluffy. It's time to cook. Heat your non-stick griddle or pan over medium heat and add a little oil or butter. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, making sure to leave some space. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown and delicious. Your delicious oatmeal pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts are always fantastic choices. Enjoy this wholesome and satisfying breakfast. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.